Setting picture transparency allows us to adjust the whole image for a before and after effect and adjust the transparency of part of a picture when we're editing. Here's a picture of Donetsk Airport a couple of years ago, and sadly I'm going to show you what it looks like now after several months of war. To achieve this effect, I have two pictures on top of each other, and the picture on top I'm adjusting the transparency to show the before and after effects. You can see that it can be very dramatic. So let's see how it's done. Place both of your images in the work area, and when we put images on the work area, they are in layers. There's always one thing on top of the other, so make sure the image you want behind is behind. Mine isn't, so I'm going to adjust that now. I'm going to click on it or right click on it, go to the drop down menu, go to order and send to back. So let's just check that that's behind the, yes, so that back image now is at the back. I'm going to lock it in place. So drop down menu, lock, and lock in place. So it won't move now while I'm editing and using the other tools on the screen. So drag the after picture over the top, and that's all you need to do. To operate it in the classroom situation, you select the top picture, which activates the transparency tool, and adjust the transparency. This is a picture of urban development where they've built an underpass to create a more pleasant urban environment in Tokyo, so it's quite a useful illustration of a before and after. Another problem we often have when editing is when we copy pictures we're allowed to use, they sometimes have a white background and don't merge with the background you've chosen. So to adjust this, right click and select Set Image Transparency, which brings up this window, and then use the eyedropper tool to select the areas you wish to make transparent. Click OK. You can see those two areas are now transparent, so let's make it all the same. So select Set Image Transparency, and using the eyedropper, click the remaining areas and OK. So now that image has a transparent background, which is what I wanted. So just a quick reminder, the whole image for before and after, layer the images, lock the back image, position the forward image over, and then select it, which activates the transparency tool and allows you to adjust the transparency to show before and after. And for a part of an image, put the image in the work area, right click it and select Set Image Transparency. Then use the eyedropper tool to select the areas you want to become transparent and click OK.